Imagine being able to shoot a video once and then instantly swap the person in it with anyone you want. A movie star, a superhero, your favorite character, or even your AI avatar. Well, it's very real and it's called Recast by Higgsfield AI. This tool doesn't just replace your face, it recreates your entire presence inside a video. The movements, the expressions, the body posture, everything. Recast is a new AI tool from Higgsfield AI and it's designed to replace any character inside a video. Now, this isn't your usual deepfake style face swap where the face looks flat or weirdly pasted. Instead, Recast replaces the entire character, which means the lighting, the shadows, the body language all adapt automatically. It's a professional-grade tool meant for creators, advertisers, filmmakers, and even social media influencers who want to reimagine their content without refilming everything. Think about it. You could shoot a basic clip once and then replace yourself with a superhero, an animated character, or your client's brand mascot, all in minutes. Recast is powerful, but like any generative AI, it must be used responsibly. Never use it to impersonate someone without their permission, and definitely don't use it to spread misinformation or fake endorsements. The good news is that Higgsfield AI is very open about this. They clearly mention in their policy that users should only upload content they own or have rights to use. So, as long as you're using it creatively, you're good to go. For creators, this means you can safely experiment, make artistic videos, and even commercial content. Just keep it ethical. It's one of the most impressive AI tools I've seen for visual storytelling. It's like having a mini film studio powered by AI. You can change characters, create brand concepts, or experiment with visual identities without ever stepping in front of a green screen. The realism 100% perfect yet, but it's getting close. And for short-form content, YouTube videos, or creative storytelling, it's more than enough. The idea that you can literally transform yourself or your actor into a completely different being in a minute, that's wild. If you're a creator, this tool opens up a new world. You're not limited by actors, costumes, or expensive shoots anymore, just your imagination. Character Swap is set to reimagine the entire body, mimics, and personality. Higgsfield now lets creators build authentic identity, transfers that look emotionally expressive and highly realistic in terms of the physics. Define your visual identity by choosing your digital persona or choose from 30+ pre-made character presets to become any character or reference person you want. Recast allows you to not only translate your speech into another language, dubbing, but also to change the gender of the voice while preserving your unique tone and intonation. Recast is designed specifically for streamers, creators, and marketers who need a fast way to produce high-quality, personalized content without expensive equipment. Character Swap is already becoming a core production tool for creative professionals such as photographers, filmmakers, marketers, and agencies because it solves a universal problem: time and budget. Recast gives you the power of a personal studio, but these creations become even more powerful when shared. For agencies, producing campaigns faster than ever is faster than ever. And for independent creators, it's a chance to compete on the same visual quality level as major studios. This is one of the fastest ways to grow. Avoid swapping characters with drastically different physical builds. Mismatched proportions will likely cause visual distortion and low-quality results. The AI needs to see the face clearly, especially in the first frame. Objects like hands or microphones covering the face or extreme facial contortions can cause the replacement to fail. It transfers you as a full character instead of replacing just the input face into any of your desired target image. We released InstaDump, combining its best features with many dedicated, ready-to-use aesthetic and viral presets. The layout is extremely simple. On one side, there's an upload area for your source video, and right next to it, another upload box for your target image. The interface is clean and straightforward with no confusing controls. The idea is simple. You provide two files. First, your source video. That's the clip where someone appears, the person you want to replace. Second, your target image. That's the new identity you want to appear in the video. It can be a portrait photo, an AI-generated image, or even your digital avatar. For this test, I wanted to make something cinematic and visually striking. Next, I tried a test, a business-style video turned cinematic. The source clip was a man sitting at a desk, talking directly to the camera like a corporate explainer. For the target image, I used a medieval warrior in armor with a golden hour glow. Recast doesn't overload you with tools, but it focuses on quality. You can preview your generation, download the result, and even queue multiple projects at once if you're on a paid plan. The site also has a progress bar that updates live, so you know exactly when your video will be ready. The free plan lets you experiment with a few short clips, but if you want full resolution output or commercial usage rights, you'll need one of their paid plans. And yes, paid plans allow you to use the generated videos in client projects, marketing campaigns, or YouTube content, as long as everything follows their ethical guidelines. Once the render completes, the preview area will update with the generated video. Play it side by side or toggle playback between the two. Body posture alignment, facial expression transfer, how shadows and highlights were adapted. After testing Recast for multiple videos, here's my honest take. It's one of the most impressive AI tools I've seen for visual storytelling. It's like having a mini film studio powered by AI. You can change characters, create brand concepts, or experiment with visual identities without ever stepping in front of a green screen.
The key differentiator for us, and this is crucial, is how we leverage these new tools for market engagement. The key differentiator for us, and this is crucial, is how we leverage these new tools for market engagement. The key differentiator for us, and this is crucial, is how we leverage these new tools for market.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we explore another mind-bending AI tool that's changing how we create forever.